Okay, everybody, here I am in Artigas at the very top of Uruguay, and we are going into mines. We are going to be looking at the mines where the very famous Uruguayan crystals, amethyst, are mined, and then they are obviously bought and taken all around the world. So this is where the best mines are, and so we are traveling there. It's very hot. It took us a while to get here through very rough roads, but I think it's going to be worth it. The amethysts are just amazing. The quality are the best in the world, and they are bought and taken all around the world. So I'll start videoing again when we get to the open mines. Apparently we are visiting open mines, and then we are going underground as well. So this is going to be pretty amazing. Just have a look over here.
16 años y el otro tiene 24 años siendo guía.